Hey there, and welcome back to the Cruise Nerds channel. We've got another room tour for you today. We're on Allure of the Seas, and we're going to show you a Central Park view interior. We're on deck 9 today. Let's go ahead and get moving. All right, here's our room, 9653. This is in the aft part of the ship on starboard side. Let's go ahead and go in. All right, like I said, this is our Central Park view interior. So the first thing you'll see when you walk in is the bathroom on the left and also your light switches. So you've got a master switch, which turns off all of the lights, and you've got two individual ones that will control half of the lights each. And this is your bathroom one. Here's your standard size Royal Caribbean bathroom. It does have the sliding doors here, the shower wand, the 2-in-1 soap and body wash that comes with it. We added that black magnetic shelf there, but that silver one is already standard in this shower. We added one more up there, and you've got some storage here. This is where you can plug in a razor. Little shelf there, another one here, and some cabinets under there. All right, take a step out. Full length mirror here, super nice to have this. And I will say this is a connecting room. So we do not have this cabin booked, but you can certainly do that and ask your stateroom attendant to leave this door unlocked at all times so you and your party can come in and out of each other's cabins. But we do not have that booked today. However, we haven't noticed any noise issues. So either our neighbors are very quiet or the sound really doesn't carry too badly. And the closet space here, it's on the left-hand side. There's your safe right in there. And you've got a few cubbies. We're using them for our travel cubes. And you've got some hanging items in here. You can always ask for more hangers if you need it. And a small little narrow shelf at the top. There is no electrical outlet on this side, but there is on the other side of the bed. And you can ask your stateroom attendant to split the beds apart if you don't want them together, but they do form a full queen size, but they can be split into two twin sizes if you want that instead. Here's the couch. It does not pull out. This room is meant for 2 people only. So that does not pull out into a couch or a bed. And here is our beautiful Central Park view. There's a really nice seat here for lounging. But yeah, really nice view of Central Park. And that's the rising tide bar right there on the right. So it'll pop up and down every 15 to 30 minutes. Really gorgeous view. Lots of good people watching. And whenever you like, you can close these curtains. This is the blackout curtain, and there's like a more sheer one here. So you could take your pick. A little bit more storage right here, very long storage cabinets. Here's your vanity chair, vanity mirror. TV that swivels, comes out, and can swivel back and forth depending on where you want it. A few more pull-out drawers. And here's the cooler. It does not get as cold as a fridge. It just will cool your beverages or anything else you might need We're using it for bottled water, obviously, but yeah, it's very handy. And I think that's pretty much it. We've been very comfortable in this room. Our stateroom attendant has been wonderful, and we asked for a mattress pad for the bed, and it's actually a really fabulous mattress pad. It's very thick. We've slept very well, so don't forget to ask your stateroom attendant for a mattress pad if you need that. All right, so this has been room 9653. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will catch you on the next video. Bye-bye.